Well, whether you are a night owl or an early riser, I hope you're able to at least see pictures today if you weren't out and about early this morning to capture the total lunar eclipse. This is a composite captured by Marshall Faintick of Crozet of the total lunar eclipse. And of course, that is the blood moon when the moon is behind the surface of the earth. So very cool there. And here's another close-up shot from Warren Fault in Augusta County of this morning's blood moon. Let's take a look at our numbers. And yeah, another cool day. We made it up to 62 at the airport. Right now 57. It's 52 in Louisa, 55 in Palmyra, but still 63 in Dillon, and still some low 60s along the 81 corridor from Stanton to Harrisonburg. We've been under the influence of an easterly northeasterly wind. You can even look at this hour. The cooler numbers are near and east of I-95. Temperatures are a little higher and much warmer as you move farther inland, and it's because of a front that has stalled out across the region. So our winds have generally been out of the east and northeast, and those winds will bring in more clouds here for tonight. Visible satellite really captures the imagery of the cloudiness, especially east of I-95 throughout the course of the day. But that setup is going to allow more clouds to build back in tonight. We'll settle back into the low 40s, and then tomorrow for your Saturday, lots of clouds. Cool numbers, most of us in the low 60s, but when I say cool, most of us it's still above average here for mid-March. Now, as we move into Sunday, it's a different story. We're going to break out into warmer air. We'll have showers and some afternoon and evening thunderstorms. Temperatures either side of 70. First alert weather day for Sunday because of the potential for some strong to severe storms. The mid-Atlantic region is outlooked 2 out of 5 for severe storms. The main threat being damaging wind gusts with those storms. So we have a medium risk for damaging winds during the afternoon and evening. And while low, but not zero, a quick isolated spin-up tornado. As we take a look at rainfall amounts, anywhere from ½ an inch to over an inch, and we could certainly have some heavier downpours that develop on Sunday. Now for Saturday, the action will be out through the Ohio, Tennessee River Valley, the Gulf Coastal region. The environment will be more favorable for severe storms in that vicinity of the country, but that's where all the action will be on Saturday. And then as we move into Sunday, that line of showers and storms will likely redevelop. In a weekend fashion, it'll be in here Sunday morning with some showers around, maybe some embedded thunder. There we are around 9 a.m. on Sunday. But then the line will regenerate out to the west or near us on Sunday. The concern is if we break out into some sunshine, because that just adds fuel to the fire for these storms to feed off of. And right now the models are depicting a line queuing up along the Allegheny Highlands around 4 o'clock, and then that would be sweeping east, say from about 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. And so any of those storms could turn severe. Damaging wind threat, again, an isolated tornado threat is possible, and then that line will move away. But that's what we're watching. That storm tonight is out to our west. You can already see some severe thunderstorm watch boxes, tornado watch boxes. There will be more as that low lifts up toward the Great Lakes and the attending front shifts off to the east. And look at the warmth preceding it. So it's unstable. It's an environment that does favor severe storms throughout the weekend. Temperatures here for tonight in the lower 40s, clouds on the increase, a cloudy, somewhat cool day here for your Saturday. And then Sunday, first alert weather day, as we watch that cold front move in from the west, and we'll continue to monitor that and make sure you are weather aware and have a way to receive warnings. Cooler on Monday for St. Patrick's Day, and then temperatures set to warm back up next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Well, it's